Welcome to our road trip video part 2. When we left off the last episode, we were outside of Moab, Utah. We found an amazing place to camp for the night, and we arrived just before sunset, so I got the drone out and managed to get a little bit of footage before it got dark. The next day we saw a sign that said, "To Telluride," and we thought, hey, we've never been to Telluride before, so we headed that way. We found a great place to camp, up a really steep gravel road. This is what we woke up to the next morning. I was really hoping when I got the drone out that I'd be able to spot some wildlife in some of these clearings. Our timing was lucky because the leaves on the trees were just starting to turn to fall colors. Telluride is really a neat place. Check out those mountains just taking off right out of the city. This was our view from our lunch spot at a cafe here in town. Since we made it this far, we decided to keep going up the highway to the top of the Rocky Mountains where the highway passes the Continental Divide. There's lots of neat little towns. This is Delta, Colorado. They had an interesting used car lot. As we were traveling to the top of the Rockies, we came across this ghost town and decided to pull over and check it out. There's only a few buildings left here. Most of them are in various forms of rubble, but there's a couple, like this one, that are still intact. Now the National Forest Service takes care of it. So this cabin has been restored, and a little bit of research shows that this is where an intern stays for the summer to give tours and information to people coming through. Must be a neat job. And apparently this was the general store. I managed to get my camera behind the shutters to get a peek inside. I better clean the camera lenses now. And that concludes part 2. Tune in next time for part 3 of our trip, where we head up into Wyoming and Idaho.